This is no ordinary shipment. It is 1.1 megawatt of pure industrial power per unit. From our production line to the other side of the world, Aike Power bridges the distance, ensuring industrial strength reaches wherever it's needed. From bespoke design solutions to precision manufacturing and rigorous testing, all the way to complex logistics, our team manages every detail. Whether it is remote industrial zones or urban infrastructure, we ensure that every generator arrives ready for immediate deployment. From the hoisting to departure, and from our factory to your project site, we provide professional-grade protection and rigorous safety assurance. Safety is our promise to quality. With Aike Power's global delivery capabilities, we ensure high-performance power reaches your factories and job sites securely and on time.